Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English listening practice, and for that I am going to choose one video which I've already spoken, and so I'll just search out my mistakes is because that is why very easiest way for me like not doing the practice because I feel very difficult while speaking in cue cards. So sometimes I try to listen myself and adapt to the situation which I got at the moment when I was speaking on cue cards. So let's see uh, how much I can get from the video. So let's jump into this video which I uploaded I think uh, 1 year back. So let's jump into this video. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So in this today's video I'm going to speak on the cue card which I'm doing currently past couple of months, and so I have learned a lot of if somebody want to like speak confidently and fluently in English, so they should need to like focus on speaking on the cue card only. So today the cue card is about the traditional food of your country. So this is kind of cue card which I need to speak on this video at least for 2 minutes. So I'm pretty excited to speak in this cue card, and we will prepare and to speak on the cue card. So I have speaking speaking on the video, and I have need to speak on the video. So you if you want to practice by yourself as well, so you can pause the video and you can like jot down words and you can basically speak in front of our tradition. There is a lot of foods we are I was working and I was got took a lot of multiple dishes like because of that like I sometimes don't use like earbuds because of that like this issue happening. So this is why I just bought this new earbuds and I'm using it. So yeah, so forget about that, just focus on my list, my speaking. So I was speaking very good at that moment, I as I'm feeling. So let's see furthermore. Yes, I think because because I have eaten like this uh, talk to him like how they prepare for it. So from there I got like make it by the rice, and they and dosa, basically that is the favorite one I have. So I in North India as well there is multiple like eat this food, and basically this is the tradition. South India basically people only eating this food, and they are cases and so it is very so this is I think because of like a mic issue, I'm not able to like get myself more. But the thing which I've got to know is like I'm speaking on the tradition food, and so I talk about dosa, so which is very tradition food in South India. Most people consuming day to day basis. I think that is it for today's video, and there is a lot of outside voice, like such as like seller coming towards the street, and there is a lot of voice of his as well. So never mind, these all things happen if you're living in like a rush crowded place. So on this note, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.